Hello, today we have this question from AP Calculus. It's a typical question about the Riemann sum. As you know, the Riemann sum approximates integration by evaluating areas of rectangles under the curve. We have two kinds, right Riemann sum and the left Riemann sum. Those are the most used ones. So here the question is as follows. A car has traveled in a straight path a distance of 500 meters at time t equals 4 seconds. So the car moves at the speed v of t, measured in meters per second. T is the time in seconds. Selected values are given in the table above. Use the right Riemann sum with 3 subintervals and data from the table. What is the distance traveled at t equals 20 seconds? So we will start by assuming something, which is the distance is equal to the displacement. So why do we do this assumption? Is because it's a straight path. So now the Riemann sum is the summation from I equals 1 to how many subintervals we have. We have 3 subintervals. That's why we're going to 3. And we are now multiplying height times delta x. And the reason is that delta x is the width of the rectangles and height is the height of our rectangles. So we are actually finding areas. Okay, so let's open this summation. Make it h1 delta x1 plus h2 delta x2 plus h3 delta x3. Pretty straightforward. Now we go to this diagram and we draw our situation here. We have the first rectangle and the height of it would be only 13. Why? Because we are starting from the right, okay? And then we draw another rectangle. The height of it will be 22. And the third rectangle will have a height of 18.5. So now we need to see what are the delta x's here. Sometimes they are evenly or equal to each other. Sometimes they are not. Here we took the case that they are not equal. So let's calculate each one of them. Delta x1 is equal to 11 minus 4, which is 7. Delta x2 will be 16 minus 11, which is 5. And delta x3 is equal to 20 minus 16, which is 4. Now we will plug in all the values here. The height times delta x, height times delta x, height times delta x. Okay, and if we add them, we get 129 plus 110 plus 52. The final answer is 291.5 meters. Okay, are we done here? No. This is just the time or the distance traveled from 4 to 20. What about the distance at 4? How much was it? It was 500. So we should add it to that. Okay, so the total distance will be 291.5 plus 500. So the final answer would be 791.5 meters. That's it.